after taking the nutrients from the food, is passed on to the large intestine. The large intestine is connected with small intestine by what is called cecum. Then the large intestine has colon. Colon then comes rectum, and finally it goes to anus. It is in the rectum that the feces is formed and passed on to the anus for outing. The large intestine, as we think, is not a place for movement of feces only, but it has a large, very important function. It supports the water balance of the body. It is a phenomenon that the large intestine has 100 million crores of bacteria and viruses, protozoa, etc., which are responsible for water balancing and other functions of the stomach. Large intestine has great functions like immune system, water balancing, etc. I thank you all for listening me, and I welcome to my new episode, which will come soon. I request all of you to subscribe my channel. Thank you.